Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw. Tips and tricks. Not saying you'll ever draw anything like that, but you might learn something. The normal thinking, if you were going to draw this, you draw an ellipse, or the way I used to do it, take a 3-point line, make a little curve, Control D to make it duplicate, alternate C to rotate it, and we'll rotate it 22.5 degrees. And then you can go all the way around and then fill in every other color with a different color. But one way we could do it, and I love playing with the Polygon tool, set your polygon on 12-sided or anything really, and draw a polygon and hit P. Now, I like the flat part, and it's 360 degrees, so it's 30 degrees, but we only want to rotate half, so 15 degrees, and you get a better flat side on there. Take your shape tool and double click and make another node, and then bring them in. And now you have pretty much equal side. Now go, which is kind of funny, go to the Distort tool, pick the twister one, and you can start just twisting this. Normally I would twist this with the underneath the shape tool, the twirl tool. But if you twist it like this, you can just kind of watch it twist. Now what we want to do is go ahead and, let me move this one out of the way. If we wanted that circle, just draw a circle and hit P, go up and intersect it, and then nudge that one out of the way, and let's change the color this time, make it red. Let's grab this one and make it yellow. Go ahead and go to Object, Order, Back a Page, and nudge it over to our red. And then I'm going to take away the line by right-clicking, and you have that right there. Anyway, just an idea. I never had really used the twister tool underneath the, I've always used the Distort tool. I've always used the zipper tool to do things, but I've never really twisted something. So that's a pretty cool idea. Anyway, a little bit of help maybe, and thank you for watching.